How to go live in TikTok. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So first of all, you need to open up your TikTok application on your device. Once you open up the app, you'll be able to see the home page of TikTok, from where you can discover the various TikTok videos. So in order to go live, you need to first log into your account. For that, you have to tap on your profile option with the right button corner, and here will be the option for sign in. You can simply enter your credentials and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to see your profile over here. So in order to go live, you have to tap on the plus option at the center of the lower button. Once you do that, you'll be able to see this interface. So at the lower section, you can see there are three options: upload, camera and live. Since we are trying to go live, you have to switch to live option. And once you do that, you have to hit the caption or the topic of the live. For that, you can simply tap on the pencil like option, and from over here you can edit. And once you add the topic, you can see the other options, like you can flip the camera, you can use the filters, effects and many more. You can also create a poll over there. And once you're done, you can go for go live option, and after that you'll be able to go live. So this is how you go live in TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.